Hey guys, it's me Norie, and today I'm finally packing to move to Japan. If I look really stiff, it's because I'm trying to keep my arm up because I shake so much. But yeah, I'm just packing as much as I can. I kind of have a list, but there's actually not that much. So yeah, and I'm obviously not gonna pack everything because I have a few more days left, and I still have to use stuff like toothbrushes and stuff like that. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about, refer to my last video where I talked about it. But anyways, yeah, let's get right into it. Hey guys, so I'm in my closet right now, as you can tell, and I'm not sure what the fashion is like in Japan right now, or like the trends or anything, but I know it's a little bit more conservative than here, so I'm not gonna try not to bring my shorty shorts and like super crop tops, but everything else I can probably bring. Alright, so here's what is up right now. I have these piles, kind of reminiscent of my closet clean out video. I obviously can't take all of this, so I'm gonna have to pick and choose. I kind of separated them into like summery stuff, long sleeve, and then outerwear like jackets and stuff. And then I have this one dress. I have one dress because I got rid of all my other dresses because I don't wear dresses, but I thought maybe if I'm doing something like out of the ordinary,
that you'll do. So I have a t-shirt, another t-shirt, I have a tank top, another t-shirt, a t-shirt, tank top. This one I think I'm not gonna get because I have to wear like nipple pasties and I'm really not about that life.
Japanese weather is crazy, it gets really cold and really hot, so I need to be prepared. By the way, these are just like my tops type of thing. I still have to pick out my bottoms and stuff. So I need to eliminate some of these, like, boy bye. Actually, I don't know. This troll hoodie is adorable, but white and me do not collide very well. So maybe not. Of course, I have to bring this. There's San Francisco, like, pullover. I don't know. This and the... Okay, sorry, I got cut off because my storage was full, but I just deleted a lot of stuff that was important to me. So it's fine. But yeah, let me just... Oh, I can't flip the screen. Anyways, so this and this sweater, you've probably seen me in this a million times, especially if you follow me on Instagram. I freaking love this sweater. So this and my San Francisco pullover, I'm 100% going to be wearing like 1,000 times. And then this Polaroid pullover, which is kind of like comically oversized that it looks really bad. So I'm not sure about this one. I'm going to put this in the maybe pile. And then this one, I kind of like banished mock necks and turtlenecks from my life after wearing them a lot, and then realizing that they enhance my double chin and just isn't too flattering, but I do like this sweater. I'm going to put this in the maybe pile. I have my long ass cardigan that's also been featured on my Instagram. Alright guys, hey, I'm down here now. I have my suitcase right here. I tried to put this upward so I can show you, but it does that. So let's just pack, shall we? I'm just gonna get the stuff that I'm like for sure about. So I'm just gonna start rolling them, because if you're a travel connoisseur like me, just kidding, you know to roll your stuff like a little sushi. Just roll them, because apparently it saves space. I don't know how it can save space differently, because isn't it like this, I don't know, science. So I'm just throwing that in there. Oh my god, look how cute it is, like a sushi burrito. Anyway, that was weird. Let's just rolly with the dab ranch. Okay. This is riveting stuff, right guys? I'm sorry my face is cut off. I know you guys really want to see my face.
I just love comfy tee, so, you know, as a college student, I guess college students just like to be comfy, right? How many college students out there? Can I get one? Anyways, I'm really trying to find the ones that are, like, soft so that I can squish them. I don't even know what I'm saying, I hate this.
I don't know what I'm doing, but, yeah, just tops. Roll them. Roll them. Oh, shoot, I forgot I had to bring my formal wear, too. That's gonna suck. Because obviously I have to do some stuff. Oh, for like when my, like, in Japan we have these like reverse graduation ceremonies. Like, I forgot what you call them, like opening ceremony? Not the Olympics. It's like when you enter school. We have this whole ceremony. It's crazy out there. So I have to wear stuff for that. And obviously, it's not like I'm limited to just these stuff. I'm obviously going to get stuff from Japan probably. I don't want to get too much because I don't want to become a hoarder again. So I want to try to keep it as simple as possible. Anyways, here's what we have so far of our t-shirts and like tops. Alright, so here's what I've packed so far. As you can see, those sushi burritos have gotten gradually worse. I do have some stuff that are in the laundry, so I still have other things that I want to throw in, but let's get onto the bottoms. Alright, so I have here 3 pairs of jeans, and then the pair I'm wearing right now, which are so super comfy, I'm not taking them off. And then I have some tank tops, like undergarments, like tank tops, and my Heat Tech Airism, if you know what those are, from Uniqlo. It's like technology. I should be more specific, like technology to cool you off and then to heat you up, so I'm just bringing those. Alright, so my suitcase doesn't look too appealing, but I just like threw some stuff in there. I'm not sure if I should be bringing 4 pairs of jeans because this is taking up a lot of space. Okay, got these jersey shorts. Fun times just to wear. Throw them in there, little nooks and crannies. That sounds kind of weird. And I have 1 long pajama bottoms because the other one I ripped while sliding against a chair to sit down, and it ripped in the butt crack. And so this one is kind of fading in the butt. There's supposed to be print there. These are just really old. And then, oh my god, another pair of pajama shorts. Okay, and these are like my formal pants that I used for speech and debate, but now I'm gonna use them for formal stuff. And then I have this blazer, but oh my god, there's no space. My mom's gonna be telling me to fix this entire thing because it's just a freaking ball of mess. Okay, so I think I'm gonna take out my light blue jeans because it's already gonna be starting to get hot, and when it gets hot in Japan, there's no mercy. So I'm just bringing my shorty shorts against my better judgment. I'm just gonna throw that in there. Okay, so I think I'm just not gonna take my blazer and just gonna buy one over there and all like the fancy stuff for my opening ceremony. Sounds so weird. Reverse graduation ceremony. Because I just can't be bothered to take this out to dry cleaning. I need to bring my shoes too. Jesus, there's not gonna be enough space. Okay, so my bag doesn't look that great, but I'm gonna start putting in like other stuff, like accessories and backpacks and stuff. I'm taking my most basic backpack. I do like my other backpacks, but this is like the most basic that I can probably use every day. I'm taking my purse, and I think that's it. I'm gonna just put like undergarments up here. Look how big this part is. Okay, so I think this is about it for now. So I'm obviously gonna probably have more clothes that come out of the laundry that I want to put in there, and I'm gonna put like more essentials like hairbrushes and toothbrushes in there as well when I'm about to leave. And then I'm gonna have like a few carry-ons, so I'm gonna put like my phone charger, my like camera to take good pics, I guess, and like body sprays and stuff like that, and my glasses, contacts, all that non-fun stuff. But I think that's about it for my like check-in bag, I think. I am freaking tired. Ew. I'm sorry if that video wasn't too exciting. It was just me being like, oh, do I pack this? Do I pack this? But I mean, that's all packing videos, so you knew what you were getting yourself into. But I wanted to shout out Corinna Christopher. She's always commenting and being super sweet. So yeah, thank you so much, and I love the name Corinna. Anyways, the next video I think is going to be like my moving vlog, like me going to airports and like airplanes and all that stuff, and it's going to be pretty cool. And then after that I'm just going to be in Japan. So, new life, guys, new life, new chapters. You guys are going to follow me along. And yeah, so make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe because I post weekly, and I think that's it. Make sure to follow me on Instagram at SimpleBeautyXX and Twitter. And I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!
So I play my boogie for the people of big city, but they don't go crazy when I banging on my boogie. I'm the king of the